Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is your New York State Assemblymember Victor Pichardo reporting from your New York State Capitol here in Albany, New York, on something special that has happened today here in the state legislature. First of all, we were able to pass a very important piece of legislation, which is colloquially known as Green Light, which allows immigrants, regardless of status, be able to get access to a driver's license. Here in New York State, immigrants are driving without documentation, without licenses and insurance. And I think what we were able to do is basically correct an issue in the law because this already existed previously before, continue to further the progressive legacy that exists here in the state of New York, but also just to take, as for me, a personal point of pride as the chair of the Task Force of New Americans, that we were able to shepherd this piece of legislation through to make it transportation fair, safe, and more equitable for all New Yorkers. So I'm proud that we were able to pass that piece of legislation. I want to thank my colleagues, particularly the sponsor of the legislation, Assemblymember Marcos Crespo, as well as the leadership in this House, specifically Speaker Carl Hasty and the chair of the Transportation Committee, Assemblymember Magnarelli from the Syracuse area. We were able to accomplish something big for all New Yorkers, and I just wanted to take this opportunity to report back to you at home how big of a momentous thing that we did here in New York State. So, well, that's pretty much it. Until next time, this is your New York State Assemblymember Victor Pichardo reporting, and until next time, God bless and Godspeed.